Welcome to Gaeilgeoir AI. In this short walkthrough, we'll show you how the platform works and where to get started. Gaeilgeoir AI is designed to help you understand and respond in real-world Irish, using practical language you can actually use in everyday situations. For most learners, the best place to begin is guided conversations. These lessons focus on real-world scenarios like greetings, everyday social interaction, travel, talking about work, asking for directions, and ordering in restaurants. You can move through the conversations at your own pace, and each lesson builds naturally on the last. As you work through a study lesson, you can click on a word to see its meaning instantly. If it's a word you'd like to remember, you can save it to your vocabulary study list. This lets you build vocabulary that's relevant to you instead of trying to memorize everything at once. Any word you saved is stored in My Vocabulary. From here, you can review all the words you saved across the platform and listen to audio examples to help with the pronunciation. This makes it easy to revisit vocabulary whenever you want and hear how words are meant to sound, not just how they're written. You'll also find topic-based quizzes that help reinforce what you've learned. These quizzes are organized by theme and are a great way to check your understanding and strengthen recall. The platform also includes immersion content based on the 1,000 most commonly used Irish words. This helps you become familiar with the words you're most likely to hear and use in real conversation. As you practice, you'll earn points and see your progress grow. You can earn points through daily active learning, completing conversation classes, and quizzes, supporting steady and consistent learning. You can also view the leaderboard to see how you compare with other Irish learners. You'll also find a curated selection of videos and podcasts. These give you additional opportunities to immerse yourself in Irish. They're designed to help you hear the language as it's naturally spoken and support your learning beyond structured lessons. You don't need to use every feature at once. Start with guided conversations, click words when you're curious, and let the rest of the platform support you as you go. You can learn anytime, anywhere, and if you ever have any questions, you can contact our support team directly within the platform. One of our team members will get back to you within 24 hours. At Gaeilgeoir AI, we're here to support you as you build confidence and fluency in Irish.